Hello friends, you're all welcome to my channel, My English Support. In this part, we are going to see the English workshop part 1 of the story of the tea. In this part, we will see the warming up activities, chit chat activities, and the margin questions. Question number 1. Can you make tea? Yes, I can make tea. Or you can write, no, I can't make tea. Question number 2. How do you make tea? Answer. We make tea by mixing tea powder in boiled water with sugar. Sometimes we mix milk in it. Question number 3. What brand do you like? Answer. We use local brands of mixed tea powder. Students, you can write your own brand which you use in your home. Question number 4. At home, who makes tea or coffee for everybody? Answer. My mother makes tea for everybody at home. Question 5. Have you seen a tea plantation? What was it like? The answer is yes, I have seen tea plantation at Amba Mountains in Kolhapur district. It was like green cover laid on the slopes of the mountains. Next activity is write the names of as many beverages as you can within 2 minutes. What do the following beverages remind you of? Draw word wave to show your associations. And the first word is tea. And related words are biscuits, toasts, mother, morning, freshness, saucer, cup, tea stall. Next word is coffee. And the related words are canteen, guests, cafeteria, mug, beverage, sweet, cold coffee, and friends. Next word is lime juice. And related words are glass, sweet, squeezing, cold drink, cool, healthy, homemade, and summer. Next beverage is coconut. We can write beach, natural, tender coconut, and healthy. You can write words like straw that reminds you of the coconut water. Next word is lassi, and related words are cold, heavy, sweet, salty, dry fruits, butter, flavored. Last word is milk, and we remind of the words like cream, strength, tea, milkman, babies, morning, cream, and cow. Margin questions. First question. How is tea, the beverage, made? A refreshing astringent flavored tea is made by brewing, that is, by infusing in boiling water. Question number 2. How is the tea that is packed and sold to us made? The leaves of the tea are at first dried, cured, and processed before they are packed and sold to us. Question number 3. Where are tea estates located? Many of the world's best tea estates are located on hill slopes at elevations of up to 1500 meters. It is said that the tea plants grow slowly and acquire a richer flavor at this height. Question number 4. Why are tea plants pruned? The tea plants are pruned and kept at a height of about 3 feet, that is waist high, to enable easy plucking of the leaves. Question 5. What are botanical names? How are they decided? The botanical name is a scientific Latin name of a plant that is accepted worldwide. This name is decided by its similar characteristic, and this scientific Latin name never changes, though its names are different in different regions. You should know the meaning of botanical names. Botany is the study of the plants and its parts. What does tea contain? What does it not contain? Tea contains theanine and caffeine. It does not contain carbohydrates, fats, or proteins. Question 7. Who was Emperor Shennong? Emperor Shennong was the father of Chinese medicines and agriculture. Why did he carry out further investigations about tea? The emperor was excited by the unknown plant and its amazing flavor, so he carried out further investigations. How did tea reach other parts of the world? A Buddhist monk named Bodhidharma used tea leaves to stay awake for longer time in prayers and meditation. He introduced tea among his disciples. Japanese priests studying under Buddhist teachers in China carried tea seeds and leaves back home with them. Turkish traders also began to bargain for tea on the border of Mongolia. That is how tea reached the other parts of the world. Question number 10. What is the difference between legends or stories and history? Answer. The legends or stories may be or may not be true, but the history is the record of past events collected systematically through a scientific method and considering all the facts. But we cannot deny the importance of the legends or stories, which are the part of our tradition. We cannot say legends are totally false. Can you guess the origin of Marathi word chaha? The pronunciation of chaha comes from the Persian word cha, which was first used as chai by the North Indians. Then it came into the Marathi language as chaha. Question 12. The paragraph about how tea came to India brings out the difference between the history based on oral sources and recorded history. Discuss how the author brings it. Answer. Historians think that tea had been known in India as a medicinal plant since the ancient time. But tea was not drunk for pleasure until the British started plantations. This is the oral source of Indian history that tells tea was there in India since the ancient times. They made several unsuccessful attempts to grow tea, they means Britishers, but failed. The botanist Robert Bruce in 1823 discovered tea plants growing wild in the Brahmaputra Valley. After a few days, the first Indian tea from Assam was sent to England for public sale. Since then, India has gone on to become one of the leading producers of tea in the world. Do you have any ceremonies associated with food items? Answer. We have many festivals and ceremonies, but they are not directly related to the food items. On many occasions in Indian festivals, many delicacies are prepared. Puran-poli, modak, laddus, and many other sweets and spicy things are prepared on these occasions. What are the good qualities of tea? Some people say that tea is healthy, enjoyable, and stimulating drink full of good qualities. It reduces loneliness and calms your heart. It is a comfort in everyday life. Why are the cups only half filled in the Chinese tea ceremonies? At tea ceremonies, cups are only half filled as the Chinese believe that the rest of the cup must be filled with friendship and affection. If you like the video, please hit the like button and comment below in the comment box. If you want video on the other topics of English subject, please let me know in the comment box below. Thank you very much.